In this video, I will show you how to use the measurement functions in CAD Assist. In the measurement menu, you will find simple tools for measuring your pieces in the working area. Let's start with the function element. This function measures the total length of a line from the start point to the end point. Move your cursor to the line, for example, my hemline of my front piece. Now you have the total length displayed on your current cursor position on the screen. You have different options now. With a left click, the system writes down the measurement in the measure length box on the right side of your screen. You can also add another measurement into the measurement box. To delete the history in the measurement box, you can click the key 0. You can also combine measurings by using plus and minus. So with plus, you add the values. With enter, you can open this edit measurement dialog. In this dialog, you can calculate and edit the length measurements and also for the created sizes. So as you can see, your formula is displayed with A1 and A2, and you will have the result of both measurements. The system creates a formula and you can use this as a calculator and change it. For example, if you want to see the complete width of your hemline, you can multiply this values with 2. You will see the result for your sample size. You can also show the results and the formulas for all the sizes in your grade rule table with this parameter size independent. Now you will see the absolute values of all the sizes. Standard is absolute, but you can also change to delta to sample size or delta from size to size. With delta to sample size, you will see the result of your sample size in the absolute value and the measurement in the different sizes of your grading from the size to the sample size. With delta from size to size, you will again see the measurement of the sample size in absolute values and the measurement from size to size. So you see it gets 4 centimeters bigger in each size. With reset, you can reset your formula to the original one. And with close, we can close the window. To delete the formula and create a new one, you can use the key 0 or you can use delete measures in the menu measurements.